How to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Chineke nebu my glass. Sorry about that. How to get your first 1,000 subscribers. My name is OGOM'S and I'm a content creator based in Abuja. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this particular video, share so that it will get to a lot of new YouTubers. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, share, and let's get right into the video. You must have heard that to get monetized on YouTube or to even start making money on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Anybody that introduced you to YouTube must have told you this. Now, they must have also told you that it is a very hard job for you to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour. But falabale, calm down. I've got you in this particular video on how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you're joining the YouTube platform, make sure that you are being selfish. Being selfish with creating your content. Don't just come and create content for yourself. You need to create content for what people are actually looking for right now. And our first point goes to creating evergreen content. Evergreen content is content that people can search for anytime they come to the YouTube platform. It can be a how-to content, it can be a tutorial content, it can be a DIY content. A how-to content might be how to make jollof rice, how to tie gele, how to draw your brows. These are contents that people search on YouTube like it is evergreen. DIY might be how I made my Christmas tree without spending any money. And your tutorial video might be makeup tutorial, how to achieve a full glam makeup, how I save money in my home. These are the type of content that people search for. Like every single time people come on YouTube to search for one thing on the other, and it is the how to. So make sure that you are creating evergreen content on your channel, that people don't have any other choice than to always come to your channel. And remember, once you give your audience what they want, what do? They subscribe to your channel and they will recommend people to this particular channel because you have everything there. All the DIY is there, all the tutorial video is there, all the how-to is there. So make sure that you are creating evergreen content. Make your research on the evergreen content that you need to create on your channel. Another point on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers is if you have already joined the YouTube platform and you are struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers, do you know that you can create content that generates results? When I mean generating results is go to your video analytics, go to your YouTube studio. If you don't have YouTube studio downloaded on your phone, as a new YouTuber, you need to download the mobile YouTube studio, which I'll be putting a picture here. You can use the mobile YouTube studio and you can use the studio.youtube.com. That gives you an explicit review of your channel. If you download the mobile YouTube studio, anytime you post your video, go and check the video analytics of that video. Go and check the video performance of. If you have posted a video today, remember that it takes like 2 days for the analytics of that video to come in, so that you will know what happened in that video, so that you will know if your audience stayed long, which is the average view duration, if they stayed long to watch that particular video, at what point were the spike or the deep high in that particular video. All these things are your YouTube studio. So if you're a new YouTuber, make sure that you download the YouTube studio on your phone so that it's a quick to go for you to reply comments, for you to check the analytics of your video. But if you want the explicit and deep analytics of your video, go through studio.youtube.com. What I am talking about creating video that generates results is go to your YouTube channel and check for videos that are performing well, the videos that your audience is watching more, the videos that have the high views, the videos that your audience or your viewers are liking and sharing the more. All these things are on your YouTube studio. You have to check the returning viewers, the new viewers that are coming to your channel, the videos that is bringing the most subscribers for you. Even if it's your shorts, you can recreate it in your long form content. If you have posted shorts on a day in your life and maybe a wedding that you went for, or if you're a sewing channel, you are coming into YouTube and you want to start sewing, and the video that they have viewed on your shorts is an Ankara, how to make a skirt and blouse for church, and those were the videos that brought in more subscribers for you through your short. All you have to do is to do a detailed video on your long form content, because that video gave you more subscribers from your short. So in a way for you to transform your short audience to your long form audience, you need to create videos that they like from your shorts. In that way, you will retain them. So check for videos that are doing well on your channel through your video analytics and create more video like that, because in that way your audience will know that you've got their back. You are creating content that they like. Another point on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers is if you are optimizing your channel right, if you are optimizing your video well, if you are doing your keyword optimization. I know as a YouTuber you might be confused. Oh, what is keyword optimization? What is optimizing my channel? Oh, what is optimizing my bio? When I mean optimizing your channel is you have to do your banner in a way that explains what your channel is all about. If you are all about lifestyle, it should be on your bio. It should be on your about. If you go to your YouTube channel, if you do view channel, you will see about. That about explains everything about yourself. Oh, on this channel, I'll be creating content around lifestyle, food, tutorial videos, DIY, and yeah, whatever it is that you want to create on your channel, whether fitness, whether food, whatever it is, make sure that you are talking about it on your banner, so that when people come to your channel, they know that they're coming to your channel to watch this particular thing. And if you're talking about your intro, make sure that you say what your channel is all about. If you're doing your keyword optimization on a particular title, on any video title, make sure that you are saying what that video is all about at the beginning of your title or at the beginning of your description box. Let me explain. On your title, for example, you want to show us how to make how to draw brows or makeup, full glam makeup for brides. A lot of people would want to know, oh, how do I achieve a bride makeup? They will come to your channel. Once you optimize your video right, the makeup, full glam makeup transformation for bride, that is a keyword optimization that you have applied on your title. When you go to your description box, you have to start with full glam makeup for brides. In this video, I showed a detailed video on how you can achieve a full glam makeup for people that are doing their wedding. The ideas are not really coming to my head, because anytime I want to do my description, I want to tell people what a video is all about. I always want everywhere to be calm. My brain needs to be calm so that I don't do mistake. You need to find a way to twist all the words that has to do with that makeup tutorial or that makeup transformation in your description box, because that is where your keyword optimization plays in. You are using the relevant hashtag that has to do with that video. That is what we call keyword optimization and optimizing your channel right. Okay, do your banner in a way whereby you are saying everything that has to do with your channel on that particular banner, and also on your about, so that people will know what they're coming to your channel to come and watch. Another way for which you can get 1,000 subscribers fast is whereby you are making use of your community tab in order to attract new subscribers or new viewers. What do I mean by community tab? If you go to your YouTube channel and if you click on your view channel, you will see a lot of things there. I think they have about, they have videos, they have community, and the rest of them. That is what you'll be seeing when you view channel. Now, community is a way whereby you write a status, just the way that you update your status on WhatsApp. If you're already a YouTuber, and for you to unlock your community tab, I think you need like either 100 subscribers or 50 subscribers. I stand to be corrected in the comment section. But if you are up to 50 subscribers or 100 subscribers, I guess your community tab will be opened immediately. Even if you're a YouTuber and you want to attract more viewers or attract more subscribers to your channel, make sure that you are making use of your community tab. The same way you update your Facebook, the same way you do status, maybe what's on your mind. You can put out, full OOTD of the day. You put a picture there and write something. Or you can just put food for that day. You put different soup for that day in your community tab. Oh, what's your favorite soup? What tribe are you from? Just make sure that you are making it engaging. In that way, a lot of, like, our community tab gets to a lot of people that are not even subscribed to our channel. So that is what community tab does. It attracts new viewers to your channel. It attracts new subscribers to your channel. Anytime you post your video, make sure you share it on your community tab, so that people did not get, if those that did not get your notification, your community tab might pop up where you have said, oh, we have a new video on on our channel, click on this link to watch it. Full detailed video on my YouTube channel, or we have a new video upload. Put the link of that particular video. People can click there and go and watch the new video that they have missed the notification. So make sure that you are making use of your community tab, even if you're a new YouTuber, an existing YouTuber, an upcoming YouTuber, or a full-blown or full-grown YouTuber, whichever one you are. Now you go classify yourself, no be me go classify you, but make sure that you are making use of community tab to keep your audience engaged and to attract more viewers and more subscribers to your channel. Another way for which you can get 1,000 subscribers or even get more subscribers to your channel is whereby you are creating top performing video on your channel. If you are already a YouTuber, you have started creating content and you notice that some of your videos are getting more views and some of your videos are not getting more views, all you have to do is to recreate those videos that are getting more views on your channel. If it is a market vlog that is getting more views on your channel, it is telling you that you need to give us more market vlog. Like where to shop for quality makeup products, or where to shop for affordable makeup products in Lagos, or where to shop affordable Ankara, or where to shop affordable quality luxury bags in Lagos, or where to shop for thrift items in Abuja. If those are the videos that are getting more views on your channel, my brother, my sister, give us market vlog. Market vlog is calling you. You need to know how to do market vlog. I am sorry to say this, but a lot of us, our channel review is right in front of us. We know that this is the truth about our channel, but we don't want to do it. We say, I'm not tired of it. Like right now, I want to try out street interview, but shyness no green me. But if I know that this is what my audience wants, at least I will try one. That is when I tell people that you should not put everything about your channel in one basket. Explore, because a lot of people love different things on your channel. For me, that I know that my niche surrounds around hey, also in English, around food, YouTube masterclass, fitness, lifestyle, and I think these are the 4 channels, motherhood and the rest of them. I think these are the 4 niche that I create on my channel. Maybe half and quarter of my subscribers might not like my fitness, but they will like my food. And those that like my food might not like my fitness. And those that like my fitness might not like my food. There are people that like my lifestyle, but they don't want the lifestyle because they want to see only food, how to make easier without potash. And there are people that want motherhood tips. If I know that different audience are on my channel and this is the one that is getting more views or attracting more viewers, attracting more returning viewers or more unique viewers to my channel, my brother, my sister, I will keep doing motherhood tips. Or if it is a market vlog that is giving me, I will keep improving. Even if China is doing me today, tomorrow we'll try again. Even if I go to any shop and they say, excuse me, madam, we don't vlog here, my brother, my sister, try another shop. Another shop will agree you to vlog in their shop. So if you know how to make your audience stay glued to your channel, that is what I'm telling you right now. Recreate top performing videos on your channel. Recreate top viewed video on your channel. If on your channel it is food that is attracting people to your channel, my sister, you have become a chef. You have to start cooking for us. But you know, we cannot please all this our audience. Today they want this, tomorrow they want this, next tomorrow they want this. Which one can you do? You do the one you can and leave the rest, okay? Just do the one you can. Another way for which you can get your 1,000 subscribers is never ever forget your call to action. Call to action is whereby you are telling people to subscribe to your channel. I have told people severally, you are the one to tell people what they want to do on your channel. You are the one to tell people that they should subscribe to your channel. You are the one to tell people to give your video a huge and massive thumbs up. You are the one to tell people that the way for which you make money on YouTube is whereby they are watching your ads and to the end to watch your video. You have to tell people what to do on your channel. Anytime you start your content, my brother, my sister, they say don't tell people to subscribe too early, but just know the way to tell them. If you're starting your channel, do your intro. Hi guys, today's video I want to show you guys how to make jollof rice. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. You see how you have talked about it. Now, in between the video, as you're doing your cooking or doing your lifestyle, please remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on the bell notification, because a lot of people will subscribe to our channel. They don't know that they're supposed to turn the bell notification on. You tell them that they should turn on the all, not none, not personalized. Turn on all. That is what you should do on your channel. Distraction. When you are trying to make video, that is when these children will come to ask you, hey mommy, I want to drink water. Hey mommy, I want to eat food. Hey mommy, I want to poo poo. Why?
Bombastic side eye.
Remember to always tell people what you want them to do on your channel. Tell them to subscribe to your channel. Tell them to give your videos thumbs up. Hey, if you haven't given thumbs up on my own right now, please click on the like, not on the dislike. Click on the like, so that YouTube algorithm will know that you like this particular video and you want the YouTube algorithm to always push out this kind of video on your homepage or your recommended. So always tell people what you want them to do on your channel. That is what we call call to action. Subscribing to your channel, liking your video, because if you didn't tell them, people would think that to subscribe to your channel is not free, that people need to pay to subscribe to your channel. So telling people what to do to your channel, your call to action, don't forget it, because it is another way to remind people that they need to subscribe to your channel. And in that way, you're getting your 1,000 subscribers fast and getting your monetization in no time. So if you know all these points that I have mentioned, make sure that you start implementing it today. If you haven't been implementing it, even if you're a YouTuber now and you don't know all these things, please forward to your neighbor that you have introduced into YouTube. Start implementing it now on your channel. Tell people what you want to see on your channel. Please and please, if you do not know, if you are just a new YouTuber, you are watching this video, a way for which you make money on YouTube is when people are watching your ads. And for people to watch your ads, they need to stay glued to your channel. Yes, they need to watch to a certain extent for you to make money. Because if people are not staying long to watch your video, they're jumping in, they're jumping out, my brother, my sister, they're spoiling your algorithm. So if you know a way to hook people, you know, you don't need to command anybody. You know, say we need to pamper this our audience and pamper this our viewers. Please and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Remember that the way for which I make money is when you watch the ads. Please watch my ads. You know, they command them, not be you born them. You are not their mother, you are not their father. So know how to please or romance your subscribers so that they will do what you want, because you are your subscriber are husband and wife. This one is no longer YouTube. You are your subscribers, you are your viewers, are your audience are like this, because without them you are not getting your 1,000 subscribers, or is it ghosts that will subscribe to your channel? No, not human beings. So these are the ways for which you can get your 1,000 subscribers for monetization. And if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, if you are telling them to subscribe, also be thanking them whenever they subscribe. If you sleep and wake up and see one subscriber in your next video, please thank your new subscribers, thank your old subscribers, thank your upcoming subscribers and yet to subscribers, you know. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your massive love and support on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Like this particular video, share and let me know in the comment section what video idea would you love to see next on my channel. What video series would you love to see next on my channel? If you have any question or video idea you would want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ads and staying to the end. So why stay?
Calling you.
No, I wasn't calling you. We'll go. Oh, if I finish making video, I will call you, please.
Okay.
Oh yeah, go. Oh, go and drink water.